When I first hear from a client after a trucking accident, often the client or the family member is in the hospital still. Trucking accidents can be really severe, and the injuries can be really devastating. And so there's often a feeling of fear and confusion. They know that they need to do something, but they don't know what that is that they need to do to begin resolving the situation, in addition to the injuries and the treatment that's needed. So I always try to help my clients understand the steps that are going to be necessary in finding out about about what happened, how to best represent them, and how to best help them through this process. I think one of the biggest mistakes after a trucking accident is that they don't act quickly enough to get representation so that evidence can be preserved. After a trucking accident, it's critical that the truck itself, the tires, the records that tell us what the truck was doing and how fast it was going, all of the evidence surrounding the case needs to be preserved immediately. And if a client or if a person injured in a trucking accident doesn't take those steps immediately to make sure that the police do their job and that the trucking company does their job to preserve evidence, that information can be lost forever, and then very often the claim can't be pursued because we don't have sufficient evidence to prove what happened in the case. It's critical that you hire a lawyer who's been there before, who's taken on these trucking companies and their lawyers and knows how they behave and has seen the different things that can go wrong and the different risks that are there. Because it's a serious kind of accident and serious kind of injury, you do not want to be learning along with your lawyer how to do a trucking case. And so you want to have been able to see, you want to hire a lawyer who's gone from A to Z in many different trucking cases and will be able to get you through yours. When people hire us, they don't pay us anything until we're successful in their trucking case and get them restored. But the really critical thing is that they stand to lose more and really can't afford not to be represented from the very beginning.